Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of logging into your Dayforce Payroll account. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to access your Dayforce account, you're in the right place, so let's get started. First, let's cover how to log into Dayforce from your mobile device or any desktop. It's really simple. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Dayforce login page. You can do this by typing dforce.cm.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Now, once the page loads, look for the login section. Now here you need to enter the company name, your username and password. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the sign in button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your Dayforce dashboard. If there's an error, double check your username and password. And that's it. You're now logged into your Dayforce payroll account.